Welcome to the best picks. The best baby laundry detergent is probably one of the most important purchases you will make for your little one, as it directly impacts their delicate skin. Choosing the right detergent can prevent skin irritation, allergies, and other health problems, ensuring your baby's comfort and well-being. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect baby laundry detergent, considering factors like ingredients, scent, and effectiveness, helping you make an informed decision for your baby's healthy and happy life. Number 5. Dreft Newborn Laundry Detergent. Dreft Newborn is here to make laundry day a breeze. It's tough on stains but gentle on your baby's delicate skin. This detergent fights odors, removes stains, and is incredibly gentle. It's perfect for those newborn essentials. It's specially formulated to tackle even the toughest baby messes, like milk and spit up. Say goodbye to stubborn stains. Rest easy knowing it's hypoallergenic and free of harsh chemicals like chlorine, dyes, and phosphates. It's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. Dreft is the #1 pediatrician recommended baby detergent brand. You can trust it to keep your baby's clothes clean and soft. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This bundle makes a wonderful present for new parents. Consider adding Dreft Active Baby Detergent and scent beads for a complete set. What we like? This detergent tackles odors and stains while being gentle on delicate skin. If you need a reliable and effective solution for your baby's laundry, this is a great choice. It's perfect for parents who want a product that's both powerful and safe for sensitive skin. What people say. From the very first wash, I noticed how wonderfully it cleaned without leaving any harsh chemical smells or residue. The scent is light and fresh, not overpowering, which I appreciate since I don't want anything too strong on my baby's delicate skin. It leaves clothes feeling soft and fresh for days with a light, baby-friendly scent that isn't overwhelming. Knowing it's hypoallergenic gives me peace of mind, especially as I prepare for my baby's arrival. It also performs well at removing tough stains, even from pre-washed baby items I inherited. Despite being so gentle, it effectively cleans, leaving no residue. The detergent is gentle yet effective, which is exactly what I needed for my newborn skin. It leaves the clothes feeling soft and smelling fresh. Number 4. Dreft Stage 1 Eco Box. It's the same gentle Dreft you love, now in a smarter, more sustainable package. It's tough on stains but gentle on baby's delicate skin. This innovative EcoBox uses 60% less plastic compared to our previous bottles. It's a small change that makes a big difference for the planet. Its compact size makes it easy to store and handle. You'll love its space-saving design. It's ultra-concentrated, so a little goes a long way. You get 96 loads of powerful, gentle cleaning. It's 30% more gentle per drop and features a no-drip tap for easy pouring. It's designed for convenience and mess-free laundry. It is an eye irritant and harmful if swallowed. Keep out of reach of children. In case of eye contact, flush with water. If swallowed, drink a glass of water and call a physician. Do not reuse the package for other liquids. What we like? It's the same great cleaning power, but in a more sustainable package. If you're environmentally conscious and looking for a concentrated formula that's easy on your baby's skin, this is the one for you. You'll save space and reduce your environmental impact. What people say. Gets the stains out, which is perfect for newborn and when baby starts eating. Light, clean, pleasant scent. Is concentrated and comes in a box. It cleans my clothes and smells good. Number 3. Dreft Baby Stain Remover Spray. Say goodbye to tough baby stains. This powerful spray tackles formula, food, and more, leaving clothes fresh and clean. It's made with plant-based ingredients, so it's gentle on delicate skin and the environment. A USDA-certified bio-based product for eco-friendly cleaning. Dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic. It's free from phosphates, dyes, and parabens. It's tough on stains, but gentle on baby's skin. Dreft is the trusted choice for parents. If you love our stain remover, try our other baby products for complete cleaning solutions. Never run out of this essential baby product. Subscribe and save money with every purchase. Stock up and simplify your life. What we like? This spray tackles tough stains effectively and is made with plant-based ingredients. If you're struggling with stubborn stains on your baby's clothes, this stain remover is a must-have. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin and helps keep your baby's clothes looking their best. What people say. It worked very well on a towel that had been pooped on, so I figured I'd try it on an old stain. To my surprise, it took the stain right out, even after the stain had been thrown in the dryer. It removes poop stains from my 2-month-old's clothes effectively. He has blowouts pretty often, and anyone with a baby knows how hard poop stains can be to remove, especially on white clothes or if the stain has been on there for a while. I also use it for stains on adult clothes too. Just spray the stain, scrub it in, wash it, and it will come out looking good as new. Gets most stains out of baby clothes. Works 100% on stains treated immediately or within a few hours. Maybe 80% on stains treated a few days later. In that case, dried carrot puree and other deep orange food isn't lifted completely, but still works great on milk stains, spit up, diaper messes, green and beige foods, and mild dirt from playing outside. Number 2. Roobi Baby Laundry Sheets. Introducing Roobi Baby Laundry Sheets, specially formulated for sensitive skin. It's free from harsh chemicals, parabens, and phosphates, making it perfect for even the most delicate baby clothes. These sheets are tough on stains but gentle on baby's skin. Say goodbye to food messes, formula spills, and diaper leaks. One wash is all it takes. Roobi comes in slim, lightweight, and recyclable cardboard packaging. It's a sustainable choice that helps reduce plastic waste and your environmental footprint. They're compatible with all washing machines and even hand washing. Simply toss a sheet in, and they dissolve instantly in hot or cold water. Roobi is the only certified carbon-neutral laundry sheet on the market. You can feel good knowing your laundry routine is kind to the planet. With up to 128 loads per pack, these sheets provide long-lasting value and convenience for all your baby's laundry needs. What we like. These sheets are unscented, sustainable, and perfect for sensitive skin. If you prioritize eco-friendly options and want a gentle, effective clean, these laundry sheets are an excellent choice. They're a convenient and responsible way to do laundry. What people say. It's environmentally friendly in that it's easy on kids, no fragrances, etc. The peach scent isn't very strong. Cleans my grandson's clothes very well. Number 1. Dreft Stage 1 Newborn Laundry Detergent. Dreft Stage 1 is specially designed for your newborn's delicate skin. It's gentle, effective, and pediatrician recommended. This 3-in-1 formula fights odors, removes stains, and is incredibly gentle on sensitive skin. It's tough on stains, but soft on baby. It cleans better than the leading free detergent, easily tackling those milk and spit-up stains. Say goodbye to tough messes. It's hypoallergenic and free of chlorine, dyes, and phosphates, ensuring a gentle clean every time. Your baby's skin will thank you. Dreft is the #1 pediatrician recommended baby detergent brand. You can trust it to keep your little one's clothes clean and soft. Consider it as a thoughtful gift for new parents. It's a must-have for any new baby. What we like. This detergent provides superior cleaning power while remaining gentle on your baby's skin. If you're looking for a top-performing hypoallergenic detergent that's recommended by pediatricians, this is the perfect option. It's a reliable choice for parents who want the best for their little ones. What people say. From the very first wash, I noticed how wonderfully it cleaned without leaving any harsh chemical smells or residue. The scent is light and fresh, not overpowering, which I appreciate since I don't want anything too strong on my baby's delicate skin. It leaves clothes feeling soft and fresh for days with a light, baby-friendly scent that isn't overwhelming. Knowing it's hypoallergenic gives me peace of mind, especially as I prepare for my baby's arrival. It also performs well at removing tough stains, even from pre-washed baby items I inherited. Despite being so gentle, it effectively cleans, leaving no residue. The detergent is gentle yet effective, which is exactly what I needed for my newborn skin. It leaves the clothes feeling soft and smelling fresh. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.